How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, we've had a lot of developments with the Ingenuity drone. Last week, it unfurled itself from underneath the Perseverance rover and immediately started conducting functions checks and sending back status reports. In preparation of its maiden flight, the Ingenuity drone started conducting functions checks of its audio and visual systems. Let's listen. And just a few days ago, Perseverance rolled back to give Ingenuity some room to stretch out its wings. Well, propellers, that is. And here we see Ingenuity spinning up at about 50 RPMs. These are all part of Ingenuity's pre-flight checks. And here we see the projected flight path for Ingenuity to guide Perseverance on its next exploration site. Most of us can't wait for this historic flight, and it's only just a few more Martian sunsets away. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.